SEZची केस सुप्रीम कोर्टात आसा। जमनी सोडूंक कंपनी आनी सरकारान कॉम्प्रोमायज फॉर्म्युला शक्य जाल्यार काडचो म्हूण कोर्टाची सुचोवणी आशिल्ली। 7तल्यो 5 कंपन्यो तांणी डिपॉझिट केल्ल्या पैशांचेर 15% व्याज दिता जाल्यार जमनी परत दिता म्हूण तयार जाल्यात। बुधवारा बोर्डान फायनल केला तो फॉर्म्युला असो।
Already the matter is lying in the Supreme Court. They're willing to give it to us, provided we pay back the money with the interest. What's they're asking for, about 15%.
All the 5 parties, out of 7 parties, 5 parties have asked for refunding the amount with 15% interest. We are not agreeing to 15%. We said whatever interest IDC has earned on the amount which was deposited in the bank, and on the FDs, whatever interest we have got in those relevant years, equivalent amount we will pay back. Whatever interest is earned, that comes to around 123 crore. And this 38 lakhs per meter land, out of that 24 lakh is in Verna, 12 lakh is in Keri, and 2 lakh is in Sankwal. Today decision was that let us take that land back and pay them. The matter is in Supreme Court. Decision of Goa IDC is communicated, put before the Honorable Supreme Court. The matter before the Honorable Supreme Court will come on 24th of July.
कंपन्यांनी आयडीसीक दिल्ले रकमेचेर आतां मेरेन बँकांनी जमला ते व्याज घेवंक कंपन्यो तयार जाल्यार तांकां सुमार 8% व्याज मेळटलें। आयडीसीचो हो फॉर्म्युला कितलो चलता ते जुलयात SEZचेर सुप्रीम कोर्टांतल्या केसीच्या सुनावणे वेळार कळटलें। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे।